Celebrated South African actor Wiseman Mncube continues to soar to new heights in the entertainment industry, with accolades stately affirming his exceptional talent and a dedication to his craft. From clinching the prestigious SAFTA Golden Horn to being honored with the NFTA Outstanding Performance, Mncube's growing collection of awards reflects not only his versatility as a performer but also his profound impact on audiences both locally and beyond. Industry peers and fans alike have praised his ability to embody complex characters with authenticity and emotional depth, commenting his reputation as one of the country's finest storytellers. Despite the continued recognition and applause, Mncube remains grounded, expressing gratitude for the honors while emphasizing that the truth trumpeter lies in telling meaningful stories that inspire, uplift, and resonate. With momentum clearly on his side, his journey stands as a testament to hard work, passion, and an unwavering commitment to excellence.